How to reduce lag and improve FPS in Honkai Star Rail. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing Honkai Star Rail and getting lag, stutters, or low FPS, then don't worry. This is very common and it can be improved with just a few simple tweaks. The first thing you want to do is to open up the Honkai Star Rail game and go ahead and tap on the mobile icon at the top left corner. Now this will open up this menu where you need to click on the settings icon on the right. This will open the graphic settings tab. From the graphic quality, go ahead and tap the drop down right next to graphic quality and set it to low or very low. If you have the lower end device, then you can select very low or low. If your device performs okay, then you can also select medium. After making the selection, click confirm and go to FPS and keep it to 30. Tap the drop down right next to shadow quality and keep it to low or medium. Once you are done with it, go to reflection quality drop down and keep it to low or very low. Right after you do this, you can now get back to your gameplay, and with this, you will be able to reduce the lag and improve FPS in Honkai Star Rail. Another thing you can do is to check if any other background running apps are playing at the moment. Before launching the game, close off any other background apps, which will clear RAM in your device, and that will also free up memory for smoother gameplay. Make sure that only the Honkai Star Rail game is playing right now. Once you make sure of that, you will be able to improve FPS or reduce lag in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.